Welcome to Amyart.app. It can be a good practice to keep track of all the production details of an artwork. This type of info can be of great help later on for restoration, producing editions, or keeping track of all the different costs that come with the artwork. It's valuable and sometimes critical info for the artist, the gallery, or the collector in the later life of the work. In this tutorial, let's look at how to manage your artwork's production information. We'll start from the Artwork Overview and click on the Production and Condition tab. Here, you can simply click on the plus icon to create a new line. You can add the date, and in the description field you can give all the details you want, such as a type of material or the cost for a transport. Anything you want to keep for your records can go here. Let's say in this example a frame was made, and in the field Pay By you can select one of your contacts from the drop-down. If the required contact doesn't exist yet, quickly go and add a new contact or organization. When you return, you can select it from the drop-down. Let's say in this example it was paid for by the gallery, and you also have a produced by field, which in this case the frame is made by the company The Frame Makers. You can add the amount, don't forget a currency, and for each line you can also say which edition it was for. In this case it was made for edition number 1, and if an edition is selected, it always overrules the All Editions line. And also, as always, you can add as many lines as you like. Let's say in this case a second frame was made, it was paid for by the artist, again it was made by the frame makers, and he gets an artist discount, so he paid 90 euros and it was made for edition number 2. You can simply keep adding lines as you need or delete the unnecessary lines. This will help you keep track of all the productions for future reference. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you enjoy using Amyart app.